Good morning, everyone. We'll dry today in northwest Indiana, but that will not be the case for tomorrow with rain and possibly some snow coming back to the area. But let's start with today first. And we're going to have mostly cloudy skies this morning, but partly cloudy skies this afternoon. Temperatures very reasonable for this time of year. Most probably in the mid 40s, though I do have to mention the most northern part of the area, Hammond, Gary, Michigan City, only seeing highs in the low 40s. The good news today, not much wind, no more than 10 miles per hour, so no wind chill factor to worry about. This evening, temperatures will start to come down. This is at 8 o'clock, and we'll be seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 30s across the area. Notice, still dry. In fact, I think the entire evening hours are going to be dry, and probably a lot of the overnight hours as well. The latest models say that we're not going to see the rain start to push in until very late tonight, very early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. And notice a wall of rain, though, that's going to be starting to push in. So we've got to talk about the morning commute for tomorrow, and it is looking on the wet side. Now I think it's going to be mostly rain coming down, but see that little dot of pink showing up around Valparaiso? Notice there's more to the north and west where temperatures are going to be a little bit colder, so there is going to be more of a potential for snow farther to the north and west, and there's a better chance of snow, I'll say, if you're driving into Chicago tomorrow morning and staying in northwest Indiana, but I'll still mention the chance for a few flakes of snow mixing in for us, though I do think for the morning commute it's mostly going to be rain coming down. And just rain. We're not talking about freezing rain, because look at our temperatures, all above freezing, so that's good. We don't have to worry about that. Now, the winds are going to be kind of picking up as we go through the night, and by the time we get to tomorrow morning, and then really it looks like for most of the day tomorrow, it is going to be breezy with gusts 20-25 miles per hour. So tomorrow we are looking at a bit of a wind chill factor, and with all the clouds and precipitation that's going to be around, don't look for temperatures to rise very much. Notice when we jump ahead to noon, we're sitting mainly in the upper 30s still, maybe around 40 if you're in Kentland. And notice that shade of purple showing up. So there is going to be the potential, I think, especially in Lake Porter and LaPorte County, for a rain-snow mix. But I do think it's going to be a mix. There could be a brief period where it's snow and then it just transitions right back to rain. But notice that it's still awfully wet for the morning commute through early afternoon. But once we get kind of around 3, 4 o'clock, it looks like the activity is going to be backing off. Now notice the precipitation's still there, but not as much. And I do think everything's going to wind down by the time we get through the early evening hours. We'll see the last of the rain come to an end.